Code 1.
Roger, Werribee pumper. We received quite a few calls on this one. Calls are stating that the car is well alight with smoke and flames visible. Calls are also stating there's a large crowd looking on.
Vicom, Werribee pumper, acknowledge smoke showing.
Roger, Werribee pumper, smoke showing.
Vicom, Werribee pumper on scene, now Werribee control.
Roger, Werribee pumper, Werribee control.
Alright everyone, looks like our firefighters are on scene. Give them a big round of applause. Alright, so once the firefighters are out and they're doing their thing, I'll give you a quick explanation of what's happening as it's happening. So we have our captain, Michael Wells, with the red incident controller vest on. He is in charge of the crew that is currently on scene and also any oncoming resources. So he is in charge of directing the technique that is used to attack, and right now he is doing what we call our 360. So he does a full 360 degree view of the car so he can see what is happening and make sure that he is aware of all dangers before he sends his crew into a potentially life-threatening situation. What you're seeing here from Matthew Packer, he is bowling our canvas lines, and the two firefighters, Riley Bourne and Christina Zuri here, they're putting an immediate attack on the car fire with our high pressure reel. So while those two firefighters are putting immediate water onto the fire, Matthew Packer is setting up our 2 lines, 1 length, or 2 lengths, 1 line, sorry, so that we can put more effective water onto the fire. This high pressure reel that you're seeing activate here now, while it does have quite high pressure, which allows them to shoot water at the car from bar back here, it does not have a lot of water volume. So what we're doing here is putting water on with our pump driver there, Michael Tripolo, and he's setting up water to Matt Packer. Once the canvas line is set up and we've got more water onto the fire, the firefighters are able to make an external push onto the vehicle and adapt the water flow and the water pattern as they walk up to more of a cone shape. This acts as a water shield from the fire, making sure that both the person on the branch and the person behind them are fully protected. What we're seeing Riley do at the back here with our red Duraline hose, he's setting up a water feed. So this fire truck, carries 2,000 litres of water, which may sound like a lot, but in a car fire scenario like this, we can actually pump up to 4,000 litres in a minute. So at the maximum capacity that this truck can run, the truck would be out of water in 30 seconds. So what we can see here is Riley's gone ahead and set up with our red hose here a water inlet into our hydrant at the back of the yard here, and that gives us a continuous flow of water into the fire truck, making sure that we have as much water as we need. As you could imagine, in a built-up area like Werribee, there's quite a lot of hydrants, so we're quite fortunate. But in a more rural setting, you can be spanning hose up to 5 kilometres away with specialist trucks that relay water on. We can also see our recruit Riley Bourne here is popping the hood, allowing access for Matt Packer to efficiently fight the fire. Excellent, so it looks like our recruits have flawlessly put out the car fire. Let's give them a big round of applause. Looks like we've kept the water away from the splash zone. You're very lucky this time.